If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. Right, so JASMY, yesterday I talked about this particular line right here, and you haven't really lost this 0.004448, and that's exactly what I want to see if JASMY can lose that level of support at the moment. So if you're going to lose this blue line that I just showed you, and if you start to close that below this blue line as well, then you're going to be looking to move to the downside. I told you before, we got technical targets to 2,000 and 1,700, unless you're not pushing above 12,000 and 1,100 or 11,000, sorry. So those are the places where I think it's going to be pretty safe. But right now, if I dive into the daily, you could say that, this is actually tricky, because if you look at it, you have this resistance, right? And from that resistance, you came down, and now you have this spinning top, which is actually a decision doji to go back up, actually. And if I do try to zoom in, the problem with this one is that you made that spinning top below the support, right? Do you see this yellow line? This body of that doji is below that yellow line, and that's an issue. That's an issue, because it could be, and the second thing about this one, the second thing to even support the claim is that this doji means a decisive time. It's a decision time, and that's the reason why I say coming down below 448 is actually going to be nasty. It's going to be a problem if you do come below 448, because that means that the doji here has made the decision that this is not a successful retest to go back up, but it's a decision to move lower and lower. And that's actually my take, because the RSI even says that, dude, I have a lot to move. I want to move down, I don't want to move up. But then again, some people say when things get crazy, they get crazy, and that's not also a secret, right? If things get crazy, they try to go back up. We're going to get some few candles right now. Maybe you can even try your luck. You never know, right? It could be a risk of nearly 3% risk, and you can try to trade it here, but I don't even recommend to do that. The market is really overbought at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.